Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy HJ. Welcome back to HJ's Garage. Today we're back with the E28. Today we're going to be removing the bumpers and the side skirts. Stay tuned. Alright, so the bumper's not actually held in by anything. The previous owners just literally popped it back in. So it's just a case of pulling it off. So me and Sam are just going to do that now. Just pull that side and just shimmy it off. No, just take it out this way. That's the front bumper off. Nice and simple. This is the easiest it'll ever be. So the bumper's off. As you can see, there's quite a little bit of rust here. So if you look around, so that whole panel will be getting replaced. Front bar looks quite okay. And then obviously we've got the battery tray, which has got a big fat hole in it. So that's that for the front. Right, so we're going to remove the rear bumper now. There's quite a lot of 8mm bolts that go underneath it, attached to the bottom of the car. We're going to get them removed. So there's a 10mm bolt that sits behind here. We're just going to go and do the other side. Alright, so we've taken all the 8mm bolts underneath, the two 10mm that go into the sides. Now the two 13mm on each side in the boot, so we're going to get those off. Bumper's ready to come out, so we're just going to pull it off. The bumper off. Took a little bit of finessing. So as you can see, we've got the rear bumper off, actually in solid condition. No welding is necessary on the back, which is a good sign. And the underneath is quite okay as well. So we've lucked out. Sam, what do you think?
It's going to be a lot of work, to be honest. Well, I say that because I'm not experienced in welding, but I think it should be pretty easy, in all honesty. I'm looking forward to getting everything stripped out and getting it all welded up. So yeah, I'm in talks with a really good welder. He's actually done an E28 earlier in the year, so the car's going to be booked in for middle of Jan. Should take about a week, no more. And in the meantime, I'm going to work out which body shop the car goes to for a respray. So,
right. So to remove these side skirts, they've got 10mm plastic nuts all the way across, and it's got one 8mm that will be into the front arch. That's it. So let's get going. I'm just going to remove the 8mm. Alright, so I'm just going to pop the side skirt off now. And it just clips. And there you go. So that's the side skirt off. And to be fair, this jacket pot's finished. The jacket points, the sills are okay. Actually, pretty solid, bro.
hang on.
Except that last bit. Alright, so that's a wrap for today's episode. We got the bumpers off, we got the side skirts off, so we've seen a little bit of rust that is being taken care of with the new sills. So that's all done. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Guys, if you enjoyed what you saw, please like and subscribe. Follow our Instagram down below, we'll be putting up some new content on there. Please continue subscribing and liking our videos, it really means a lot to us. Thanks again, see you in the next one, peace.